it's been 2 full days. Unbelievable amounts of rain and not quite as much wind, but still really high winds. And it's still raining. It's supposed to slack off later today, so but you can't wait forever. Before it was unbelievable, so you just could not work into it, but now we'll try to make it as bearable as possible for today, and hopefully the wind and the rains let up. Dean is on his way down, and we're going to get these logs sorted now and start laying them down.
The purpose of this, if you just put your log on top of the plywood,
yep,
then you got no continuity for water. It'll tape it with ease, right?
That's right. Yeah.
And
you can come out like that. The width of the,
yeah, and just take
even
over.
further. Well, hello, little visitors.
Come here now. Yeah. This is the bottom log.
Yeah.
Okay. Notch corner, notch corner. It's got to be for the porch area. All right.
Okay.
All right. So that's E1. Okay. So that log comes over here. Now we got G4 and G5
Right there?
on the bottom.
Okay. Anyway, what we're doing mostly here now is just kind of sorting the logs and finding the ones that go on the outside perimeter. They're all labeled, right? So it's just like A10, A20. So you sort them out, all the A's and the B's and all the walls are labeled. It's just a matter of sorting them out now, find the bottom ones first, and then we're going to start fitting them together. Pretty cool, right? All done with computers and the exact measurements. Can't wait to start laying that together now. It's actually fun, you know? Reminds me of when I was young building Legos. It's still a bit wet, pretty windy. Still left over from the storm. In town this morning, we actually had snow. Last weekend I was out there in the paddle boat, asleep in the paddle boat, 26 degrees Celsius, no wind. So, welcome to Labrador. Give you guys a bit of background here. This is actually called the super log. This is the best log that they sell. And this log is ripped, dried, and then glued back together. And you notice that the grains are kind of perpendicular to each other. So if that's the case, it helps keep it from warping in the future. So it is a super log. Alright guys, it's a bit of a tradition here. This is the first notch we're going to fill, and Dean said you sign your name. Chuck Porter.
Yeah. And the puppy dogs can sign.
And the dog is, Aspen is actively involved here. What's the day, boy? 2022?
Yeah, 16th of September.
September, which is the 9th, right?
Yeah.
And the 16th, you said, was it?
16th.
Here we go. The first day of a good many days. Anyway.
All good.
Now, he also suggested that put the two dogs' paws there. Come here, Willow. We're going to need your help in a second. Your paw's a lot smaller than Willow's. Here, Willow, come here. Yep. The veteran, Willow.
Here we go.
She'll stay still for anything.
Oh, good. First time she got her imprint of a paw.
Yeah, she got the one in the concrete there.
So you gotta call it and lay it down.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on.
Yeah, right there, buddy. Okay. It's 2 outsides done.
Yeah. 3.
Yeah.
There you go. That's pretty good as it goes. So you're just carrying it through.
Okay.
Right, and to seal at the same time.
So I'll just give her a little till I start feeling it.
Yep, she go. There you go. Can you see her going down?
Yeah, I see her on that side.
She's tight.
Yeah,
Yeah.
on this side.
Yep, going good. Good.
Okay.
Okay. There you go. Just take
Nice.
your time. Yeah. Yeah, just be on.
Well, it's getting late in the evening now. The sun is just about to go down over the hill. We got all the first layer of logs laid out. And they're all fit good. Tomorrow morning we're going to start off fresh now. And we're going to get our secure them down in place, and we're going to start putting those logs on there. See you in the morning.
You guys may have put it in. Put the string in tight. No dab, do it. Take pressure off. Okay, quality assurance. Or you're going to drill a hole from the forward street. We're going to try to get rid of all that stuff. Any filings,
Now we'll all do this notch thing together.
Yeah.
But then, see, start going on already, huh?
Good for weight.
step up.
Weight I can do.
It's up to you.
Blades, I call it.
Yeah. Alright, so see gasket caulking. Oh, we got it here. We gotta do some here.
A lot of pressure, Colby.
That is a lot of pressure.
Yeah, the whole world is watching, but just no pressure.
There you go. There you go. I don't know if these go down more. Yeah, you gotta do it corners. Corners being that one. Hey. Do that now.
Good? Yep. Think it's not going to fit. Then you give me a couple of little love taps. Moisten her up a bit. Get her ready for a big blow.
Hi, Aspen. Hi, pretty girl.
We all finished up for the day now. Made a lot of progress. The electrical seems like it slows you down a bit. You got to figure out where you're going to put all your receptacles and stuff, you know. So we got that figured out, because that's in the first 2.5 or 3 rows of logs, and she's looking good. And everybody kind of got a knack to it now. We had a good instructor today. Dean is a professional, obviously, got us going. Great day, Dean. Great day.
Perfect.
Perfect day. Yeah. So here we go.
A lot of work done.
A lot of work done today. So tomorrow we'll be fully recharged and we'll crack at it again. See you guys then. Good morning, little one. Sissy's in squirrel mode. Yeah. Squirrel up there somewhere, is it? Another brutal windy day is going to be the day, apparently. Still leftovers from the big storm we had. But not quite so bad. The wind and the trees are blocking a bit of wind here. And my good buddies are on their way down now, so they don't complain. That's the kind of fellas you want on a build like this, giving you a hand too. Here we go again. Now I know there's a lot of interest in these logs, as I was very much so as well. And you'll see these holes dug in them ever so often. When these logs are pounded down in place, but they're not screwed or nailed, when all of the logs are stacked right to the wall, or top 8 feet or so, then there's these gigantuous treaded rods that go down inside, and they basically have nuts on the top and nuts on the bottom, and you simply compress them, and it draws the walls down in place like that all the way around. It's going to be pretty neat to see today. Hopefully we get to this stage today. Okay. Wonderful.
All good?
Yeah. We'll buy us the first shredded rod.
Some nice.
One's gonna bring all the walls together.
Okay.
Oh. Well, what a fabulous day. The weather cooperated a nice bit. And we got a couple of, 2 or 3 of these walls are down right to the top. What you see is what you get. We get the threaded rods in there, which will compress the walls together afterwards. And yeah, you're starting to see it. It's taking shape for sure. The only thing left to get now is the back wall and those back 2 smaller walls. And all the logs will be up. Look at that, guys. Great day's work. What a fabulous, fabulous bunch of guys. You never do it without help from friends, so I'm just so happy and so thankful for good friends who are willing to devote their time to this. 2 full days on their own dime and came down and helped me put it together. I'm very, very thankful. You know who you are, guys. Thanks a million. See you guys in the morning.
Close, getting a lot of logs done. Getting very close.
Man of the hour?
No.
Of the week?
No.
Hello, sleepyhead.
Woo! Last one, baby! Well, that's it, folks. All the logs are up. 2 full days. Today was a little more than a half a day. We only had a couple of fellows today. So, yeah, not too bad at all. And all looks nice and beautiful. This spot. What do you think, Dean? It's the last one done, buddy.
Top of the line.
Top of the line.
You did it.
This calls for a cook up on the outdoor kitchen. Ho ho ho. What we get on the menu?
Pork chops, corn on the cob,
And asparagus.
and
Awesome. Wicked. It's cold one this morning. -3, but promises to be a nice warm day later on. Sunny. So again, these rods go right down to the bottom of the cabin, and they're strategically placed to tighten all the walls down. Even though they're tight now, it'll just bring and compress them completely tight and reduce any worries of any drafts or leaks or anything like that. So it's a nice little system. So now I'll get up under the cabin and we'll start using the impact gun and clench them tight. Just had something strike me here, just looking out through here. This will be the morning view, looking out through these windows. Now, how can you beat it? Seriously. Oh. Big butt, little butt, Alright, time to go on the ground. Now, that's the beauty of having a nice high crawl space. It's no trouble to get around. So I'm going to go around now to where those nuts are and clamp onto them, and Dean's going to tighten them from the top. Okay, that's the threaded rod right there. Washer and enough. He'll hand tighten that one right now, and then we'll go around after with the impact gone. I'm going to say my usual line, and then everybody say, and we'll see you next time. Guarantee. So until next time, guys, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you.
Take two.
All right. Until next time, guys, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time.
Guaranteed.
Woo!